Good morning. Let us solve this question. This is a JEE question and from haloalkane and haloarenes lesson. Okay, look at this. Here they have given one molecular formula and mentioned as the compound A gives white precipitate when warmed with alcoholic NO3. Alcoholic AgNO3. So this is the first clue, and oxidation of A gives an acid B. That is the second clue, and they have given the molecular formula easily forms anhydride on heating. Identify the compound A. So they have given the three clues. From the first clue, we can identify whether the compound is aryl or alkyl. Look at this. Here we are using alcoholic AgNO3. Alcoholic AgNO3 will not react with aryl halide. With alkyl halide, it can form the precipitate. Look at this. RBr. We are using the alkyl halide with alcoholic AgNO3. ROH and AgNO3. Here RO, that is OR minus, is a nucleophile. That nucleophile will replace Br. So this is called nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution will be only possible at alkyl halide. It is not at all possible in the aryl part, because aryl can only give electrophilic substitution. Please mark this. Aryl can only give electrophilic substitution. Here we can get the ROR ether and AgBr precipitate, right? So we are getting the precipitate when the compound is alkyl halide. So this should be an alkyl halide. Let us check what are the alkyl halides in the choice. This is an alkyl halide, this is an alkyl halide, this is an alkyl halide, this is aryl. You may have a doubt. All are having benzene ring, then why we are calling this one as an aryl halide? Because halogen is directly attached to the benzene ring, means then only it will behave as a aryl halide. Alkyl halide means, here look at this Br attached to the carbon which is not linked, that is, which is not a part of the benzene ring. That carbon is attached with the benzene ring, but it is not a part of aromatic carbon. That is why it is not a aryl halide. This is an alkyl halide, so it will behave like alkyl halide. Even though it is having the benzene ring, bromine is not attached to the benzene part, that is aromatic part. So we will go to the next one. So first clue we have confirmed, we are having aryl halide only, and then oxidation of A, that particular A, gives an acid. So whenever we are oxidizing the compound which is having aromatic, the carbon which is attached with the benzene ring will be converted into carboxylic acid by strong oxidizing agent. So HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent, and this carbon will be converted into carboxylic acid, and this carbon will be converted into carboxylic acid whenever we are using strong oxidizing agent. So this carbon and this carbon will be converted into carboxylic acid. So all are having the carbon, that is two carbon attached with the benzene ring. So we can get COOH in all the three choices, right? So how we can select that one? Third clue, we will use the third clue. Look at this, it forms an anhydride. Anhydride can be formed only when the carboxylic acid groups are adjacent in the benzene ring. So this will be the answer. Shall we do that? Shall we check whether we are correct? Take the D compound as an A, and you can check the molecular formula. There will be 8 number of carbon atom, 9 hydrogen atom, because each carbon at the benzene ring has hydrogen except that 2 position. So the molecular formula satisfied. So first part over, and this is an alkyl halide, and it will give a ether like this, AgNO3. When ROH is attached, that is ROH, we are using the alcohol, what will happen here? CH2OR, and then CH3 will be remaining as such, and we will get to the precipitate AgBr as they said in the first clue. And the second clue, look at this, we are using the strong oxidizing agent, that is called HNO3. Whatever may be, if we are using KMNO4 also, I have mentioned like that CH2Br, right? If you are using KMNO4, so A should be this compound. If you are using KMNO4 or HNO3, any strong oxidizing agent, what will happen? The first carbon attached to that benzene ring will be converted into carboxylic acid. Whatever may be the lengthy carbon chain, whatever may be the group in the benzene ring, the first carbon alone will be converted into carboxylic acid. Other will be removed as carbon dioxide and H2O. So it will be converted into COOH. Now, if you are heating this one, what will happen? We will get to the compound. I will write here. We will get the compound that is anhydride form. Do you know the formula of that compound? That is, do you know the name of that compound? Because we are using the same compound in some other reaction in our 12th standard, that is amines, from amines, right? In the amines, Cabriel phthalimide synthesis, we have used this compound, right? That is phthalic acid. This is actually a phthalic acid. Phthalic acid, and this is phthalic anhydride. This will be possible only in the choice D. Thank you.